Hi friends, welcome to Tech Friends IT. In this video, we will learn about different sets of numbers, also called number system. Numbers, as we know, are mathematical objects used for counting or measuring. Let's go to the types of numbers. Numbers can be classified into 6 types. These are number 1, natural numbers. Two, whole numbers. Three, integers. Four, rational numbers. Five, irrational numbers. Six, real numbers. We will go one by one and learn about each type. So first we will learn about natural numbers. What is natural means? We know, right? While counting, the numbers we normally used are called natural numbers. It is also known as counting numbers. This counting number starts with 1, like 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on till infinity. These are called natural numbers. We will call this symbol with n. Okay, they are defined by number n. Next, we will see what is whole number. Whole means entire, right? So, natural numbers plus 0. So 0 will come first plus natural numbers called whole numbers. What is whole numbers? 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on till the infinity. So these are called whole numbers. This denoted by symbol symbol W. Next we will see what is integers. Now we'll see what is integers. Negative natural numbers plus whole numbers called integers. So starting with minus infinity, so on, minus 2, minus 1, comma 0 and 1, 2, 3 till infinity. These are called integers. So we will see the scale, how it looks. Minus infinity and plus infinity. In middle we have 0 and 1, 2 and so on. Minus 1, minus 2 and so on. This is the scale of integers. Okay. Next we will learn about rational numbers. Before that, we need to know about what is fractions and what is decimals. Let's say we have one cake, okay? We can divide two parts. We cannot write in integers, right? So whole cake is 1. So we are dividing two parts. We cannot form this into integers. In such cases, fractions are used. Fractions are parts of whole numbers. The fractions are whole parts of the whole numbers. A fraction consists of a numerator and denominator. Okay? Like this. We have numerator and denominator. And decimals. What is decimals? We can convert this fraction into like 0.5. So if we split the one cake into two pieces, it is called 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. This is fraction. 0.5 plus 0.5. This is called decimals. We can write like this. So now we will move into rational numbers. Any number written in fractional form where the numerator and the denominator are both integers and the denominator is not 0 is called a rational number. Let's say 1 by 2. So what is rational number? Both numerator and denominator should be integers and denominator should not 0. So here two conditions. So let's say P is the numerator and Q is the denominator. Both P and Q are integers. It should be integers. And Q is not equal to 0. This is called rational numbers. These numbers are denoted by Q. Okay. Next, we'll move to irrational numbers. The numbers which cannot be written in the form of fraction where the numerator and the denominators are integers and the denominator is not 0 because the decimal expansion is never ending and never repeating are known as irrational numbers. Okay. Here P is let's say P is numerator and Q is denominator. Q is not equal to 0. This is the condition. P and Q should should not be integer, it can be any number. So anytime you can uh, divide this never ending process, it is called never ending never ending process. We cannot end this division, we cannot do the fraction for these numbers, it will not stop. Let's say root 2. What is root 2 value? You know that 1.41421356. Is it ending here? No, it will not end. So that's why this is called irrational numbers. Okay, next we'll see the real numbers. Rational and irrational numbers both are, and irrational numbers, rational numbers means q plus s, both are equal to real numbers. Okay, real number denoted by r. These are the number system. Okay, I think you understand the number system. We'll draw a diagram and show the all these numbers in single diagram. Natural numbers, first place. So example, it will start from 1, 2, 3 and so on, infinity. Next, what will come? Whole numbers. Whole number means 0 plus natural numbers. Next, integers. What is mean by integers? Negative natural numbers plus whole numbers. So minus infinity till 0 and starts from 1 till infinity. These are whole numbers. Next, rational numbers. Rational numbers. So example, 1 by 2, 3 by 4, 7 by 8, like this. Okay. Next, irrational numbers. Irrational numbers, example root 2, root 3, something like this. Is root 4 is irrational number? No. Why? Root 4 means 2. 2 is either natural whole number, it is come under integer. Okay. Next, real numbers. All these numbers are called real numbers. sorry, in this diagram we will remove this irrational. Under irrational will not come all this natural and all. Irrational is separate thing. Okay, this is the number system. In this number system we have some more numbers called prime numbers, composite numbers, odd numbers, even numbers. We will learn this also. What is odd number? What is even number? Even number means any number divisible by 2 is called even number. Any number is not divisible by 2 is called odd number. What is prime number? Prime number means divisible by 1 and itself. Composite number means opposite of prime numbers. Prime number example 2, 3, 5, 7. See, 2 have only 1 and 2. Here also 1 and 3. 5 also 1 and 5. 7 also 1 and 7. If you take 4, 4 has 1, 2 and 4. Next, composite numbers. 4 is called composite. Why? It is not prime number, so we will call it this as composite number. Odd numbers, example 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13 and so on. Here even numbers 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and so on. These are the number systems. So friends, I think you understand the concept, and if you have any questions, please comment. I will reply for that comments. Please subscribe my channel for more videos on mathematical tips and jobs related videos.